Welcome to our short guide on the ITAC audit, a crucial yet often overlooked aspect of IT audits. Ever wondered how systems like SAP or Oracle ensure accuracy and compliance? This video will turn you into an expert. Let's break it down. What is ITAC? IT application controls are checks built into business applications to ensure transactions are complete, accurate, and authorized. Think of it as a system that prevents duplicate invoices or unauthorized payments. That's ITAC in action. ITAC focuses on application level controls, while ITGC covers broader system aspects like access and backups. Together, they create a reliable IT environment. An ITAC audit typically runs through four key stages. First up, planning and scoping. Understand the business process, identify key controls, and document risks like duplicate payments. For example, in accounts payable, the system must block duplicate invoice numbers, your deliverables, a risk and control matrix, and your audit scope document. Next, we move to design evaluation. Here, you test the control design to see if it logically prevents risks. For instance, a journal entry over Rs 500,000 should trigger an approval workflow before posting. You will perform walkthroughs and check configuration settings for any segregation of duties conflicts. Your output, a control design effectiveness report. Now comes the action, operating effectiveness testing. This confirms that the control actually worked during the audit period. For example, in SAP's three-way match, payments should only process when the PO, GRN, and invoice all match. You'll sample transactions, inspect evidence, and document exceptions. Testing methods include inquiry, inspection, and observation, with results rated as effective, partially effective, or ineffective. Finally, we wrap up with reporting and follow up. Summarize your findings, highlight failed controls, and recommend fixes. For instance, if a credit limit control is disabled for customers, that's a risk of overselling. Your report should include an executive summary, findings, recommendations, and a management action plan. ITACs fall into five key categories: input processing, output interface, and authorization controls. Examples in SAP include the three-way match in procurement and credit limit checks in sales. Always ensure ITGCs like user access and change management are effective if ITGC fails. ITAC results can't be trusted. In practice, auditors use tools like Excel, ACL, or Power BI for data validation. Your goal: ensure the entire transaction lifecycle is secure, accurate, and compliant. So that's ITAC from concept to audit execution in just 3 minutes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical IT audit insights.